Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So multiple divergences in Bitcoin and just drifting sideways. What we're going to keep watching for is as the bottom of the rotation zone catches up, especially as the bottom of the rotation zone gets to about 10,400 right now. Key supports sitting at 10,330. If we fall below there, we'd be watching for about 10,150 and then back to the 99.30 to 10,000 level. Right now, we still haven't been able to get through to any of the higher levels. We had this divergence to another higher high and clearly a lower high in the RSI. So same levels as yesterday, 10,950 and then 11,130. Checking in on the daily. So here we go on the daily. Still don't have the first cross the rotation zone. So again, those same key levels that I just listed on the 4-hour chart, we're just going to use instead of any other levels on the daily chart. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum also clearly had a divergence here, stalling out at this prior 25% GAN level. Now pulling back, actually dropping below the rotation zone, sitting at this prior key level. You see here, let me move this out of the way. This is prior key resistance, now becoming support. So about 173.60 is the key support. If we did follow through there, I'd be watching minor support around 169.60 and then major support coming in right about 167. So those are your key levels. If you want to fine tune them more, remember you can do the GAN extensions lower. Not yet in oversold condition. Looking over at the daily chart. So this could not get to the other side of the rotation zone yet. We're still watching for that. It did close inside it twice, but could not manage to get up there. So this is actually an additional sign of weakness. Lower volume, though, on this sell-off. Major support, if we break below this, is about 165. So based off the daily, 165 is your major area of support. And that's all we have for you on this quick update. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.